All right, JT, it's been 10 years. What are we doing here today?
10-mile bike ride.
10-mile bike ride for a 10-year-old boy. Is that what we're doing? That's right. It's not quite his birthday today. It's a couple weeks after, but we're going to do 10 miles of riding up and down these mountains. It's going to be good. Mama's here. JT's here. We're all ready to go. It's going to be exciting. We've done this since you were 4, I think. Is that right?
Yeah,
3
or 4.
Very good. You excited?
Yes.
I
I'm excited to go down the hill a bunch.
Yeah, we're going to go down this fast hill a bunch. Let's go. All right, so we're just riding around the first couple miles, and look at these cool little glamping options. This is awesome. I think this is brand new up here at Monte Sano State Park. Very good. Anyways, let's get back to business. Get them miles going. Here we come, number 10. All right, here we go. First time down the hill. Ready to fly. Well, we don't want to fly, it's ready to roll really fast. Looks like JT's wearing a cape. You got your cape on, huh? That's number 1 down. Was that fun?
Yeah.
You got tears in your eyes.
I know. That was.
All right, buddy. 3 miles down. You ready to head back uphill?
Yep.
All right, let's do this to this. Let's go back up. All right, we got 3 miles down. You want to race to the top? You just want to go?
I just want to go.
You want to go? Last time you won. You like took off and left your mama and left me. Or you think you're fast or something just because you're 10? I think it's what it is.
I just wanted to go downhill.
Oh, I know. Well, we're going to get up there. Got 1 mile up, 1 mile down. See you at the top, buddy. All right. Hitting the top. Should be about 4.5 miles. Everybody, going back down. Get it, buddy. Go, go, go. Watch your back. Thank y'all. Whoop. To the left, buddy. left, go left. Thanks again. Yeah, what do you think about that?
That was fun.
All right, we got 5.7 miles, a little over halfway.
I bet this
That's
will
right.
fit you.
Oh, did you find a shoe?
Yeah, it's yours.
You think it'll fit my big toe? All right, ready to go back up?
Yep.
Let's do it. 1 mile up, 1 mile down. Let's get it.
Wait, how much more miles do we have?
We have about 4.5 miles.
Okay.
Not much. Following you. Whoosh. He's having fun. Turning 10's cool. Check the ice out. Ice over here. There's ice on the trail still. It's 60 degrees and there's ice everywhere. All right, we're at the top. We got 3 miles to go. We met up here with the aid station. Mama's got everything for us. What all you got in there? Band-Aids and some chips and some water. All right. This is actually fun. I'm enjoying this one. Are you enjoying it, JT? It's fun on the downhill, a little work on the uphill. All right, let's get after this. All right, going down nice and fast one more time. I'm not gonna video much on this one. Lots of people and lots of dogs, all types of things on this one. I'm just not gonna do it. And then we'll come back up one more time. Let's go. Woohoo! Nice. All right. All right, last time up. You gotta say anything? Are you ready for it?
Yes.
Well, show me the way, big boy.
Okay.
Mile number 9. Let's do it. All right, made it to the top for our last time. Last time, nothing but downhill now to hit 10 miles. All right, our last time going down, buddy. We got 1 mile to go for 10 miles on your 10th birthday. This is amazing. What you want to tell everybody?
Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next adventure. Now lit to marshmallows. Bye.
All right, we're gonna fly down and we'll see you at the bottom. Again, thanks for watching. I want to say, if you like this stuff, subscribe. We got a lot of y'all, about 90% of y'all watch it, but you haven't subscribed, so please do that. And we're gonna try to kick it up a notch this year. Have a good time with this stuff. It's gonna be fun. Happy birthday, JT.
Thank you.
You wanna lead the way?
Sure.
All right, catch your breath and let's go. That jacket looks like a cape. Looks like Batman going down. Mark, set, go. All right, we're gonna fly down. There's a lot of folks down there, so I'm not gonna film very much because dogs and everything everywhere. 1 mile down, let's go. It's fun. All right, y'all, we made it. How you feel about that?
That was fun.
That was fun. Here, hold the camera for a second. Let's see what we got here. Let's look at our distance. You did 10.7 miles.
Cool.
Almost 11.
Yeah.
That was good. Everybody survived. Happy birthday, buddy. Welcome to you. Welcome to your second decade. Yeah, this is awesome. All right, see y'all on the next
Adventure. Bye.
Bye.
Another to marshmallows. Bye again.